If you want to make up to $79,000 just like this, and you don't want to miss this video, I will show you how you can make up to $79,000 just by re-uploading movie clips on YouTube and by using the secret tips and tricks that I will be sharing with you in this video. This video will walk you through the process of re-uploading movie clips to YouTube without worrying about copyright issues. You can literally copy and paste the whole process shown in the video and make up to $79,000 just like this. And if you want, you can start multiple channels using this method and make even more money. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that I will be able to send you a notification every time I upload a new video. As you can see, this channel is only 10 months old, but has gotten around 307 million views in just a few months. This channel is in the movie recap niche, and it's literally using the same tips and tricks that I will be sharing with you in this video. In case you don't know, movie recap channels have a CPM of around $1 to $5. And CPM stands for cost per mile, which is essentially how much YouTube pays per 1,000 views. So if we check how many views this channel gets every single day, then you will see it gets around 659,000 views. And if we check his revenue based on the average CPM, then you will be surprised to know that this channel is making around $3,290 every single day, and for the overall year, it will be making around $1,184,000 just by re-uploading movie clips on YouTube. You can see how lucrative this niche is. You can also accomplish success in this niche with ease because I'll walk you through every step of the process, including where to get movie clips, where to get the audio done, and how to edit the clips to fend off copyright strikes. And the best thing about this whole process is that you don't have to show yourself and use your own voice. You can be completely unknown and still make this much money. And don't worry, I will share the channel name in a while, but before that, let's get started with our first step, that is to find trending movies to re-upload. And to do that, we have to visit this website called Box Office Mojo. This website keeps the latest update on each and every highly rated movie in a structured way. Here you'll basically see a list of top trending movies that will help you to get hundreds and thousands of views. As you can see, there are so many movies you can choose to work on. And if you choose to work on the top grossing movies, then you increase your chances of getting viral pretty quickly. So this is the channel that I mentioned in the beginning of the video, Fox Recaps. As you can see, they are getting tons of views just by uploading 12 to 14 minute long recap videos, which they create by using AI voiceover, and then simply add movie clips above it. And trust me, it doesn't even take more than an hour to create videos like these. If you want, you can check other YouTube channels in the same niche to get a better idea. Now, you might be thinking that if you upload movie clips on YouTube, you will get copyright claims. But you'll be surprised to know there are some small adjustments you can make to avoid copyright claims, which I will talk about at the end of the video. So watch the video till the end if you don't want to face any copyright-related issues. The next and second step is to create a short movie explanation script for the voiceover. But don't worry, I won't ask you to watch the whole movie and write the script on your own. You know I like shortcuts. That's why I will show you an amazing website which has already created all the short movie explanations for you. For example, we will take the movie Top Gun Maverick. And now we will go to Google and type Top Gun Maverick summary. And you can see there are so many websites that are offering what we are looking for, and you can go with any website you want. But I'd recommend you to select this website, imdb.com. Once you open the website, you will see there is a section called Summaries, and below that, Spoilers and Synopsis. So basically, synopsis means a short and structured explanation of the movie, which includes all the important plot scenes from the movie. This is actually a website from Amazon, and everything you get here is totally accurate, so you don't have to waste your time watching the whole movie just to double check if the script is right or wrong. We will be using this website to create our short movie explanation videos, but I'd like to tell you that if you just copy and paste the exact same synopsis from this website, then your channel won't get monetized and you will receive copyright strikes as well. But don't worry, you can stay away from copyright strikes by using the next website, which is Quillbot. So basically, Quillbot is a content spinner. It can rewrite anything you put on this website, and we will use this website to rewrite our script, which will be totally copyright free. To do that, I want you to copy the first paragraph of the synopsis from the IMDb website and paste it in Quillbot, and click here on Paraphrase. Now Quillbot will turn this paragraph into a new paragraph by rewriting everything. Now just copy this new rewritten content, and after that, you will have to open any notepad software, or you can just go to Google Docs to save your rewritten content. In my opinion, Google Docs is the best option because you can access it from anywhere you want, and it's totally free. Once you come to Google Docs, I want you to click here on this plus icon to open a new page. Here you just have to paste the rewritten content so that you can make use of it later on. And now you will have to do the same with the rest of the paragraphs from the IMDb website. Just copy the paragraph from IMDb and paste it in Quillbot, and copy that new rewritten content and paste it to Google Docs. And make sure to give a name to your document so that you won't get confused later on. Now that we have chosen a movie to re-upload and we have created the copyright-free script, our third step will be to create a voiceover to narrate our copyright-free script for the video. For that, I will share two of the best websites with you, which can get this job done very easily. The first website is flicky.ai. This website lets you convert 1,000 words into voiceover for free. This website offers more than 750 voices in 75 languages. And if you like how it works, you can buy their subscription plans, which are only $29.89 per month. But if you're on a tight budget and don't want to spend that much money, then you can use the second website, which is murph.ai. This website also offers more than 120 voices in 12 different languages, and the best thing about this website is that their voices sound more realistic. This website gives 10-minute voiceover for free. It has 3 subscription plans, which are $13, $26, and $167 per month, but I'd suggest you buy the $13 plan if you are just starting out, which offers unlimited downloads and 60 voices. For this video, I will just show you how you can create the voiceover using murph.ai. To do that, you will need to go to their website and click here to sign up. You can sign up using your Google or Facebook account. After you log in, you will see something like this. Here you can just click on the plus icon to create a new project, and it will pop up a new window asking for your project name. You can name it whatever you want. Next, you will see a dashboard like this where you can paste your script to get the audio file. And on the top of the dashboard, you can see it's giving us 10 minutes of free voiceover. And now you can just copy the first paragraph from Google Docs and paste it here in this section. And if you see a pop-up like this, and select Paste Script. Next, click on this triangle button to generate the audio. As you can see, the website has created the voiceover, and to download this audio file, you can click here on these 3 dots. It will pop up a menu, and there will be a download option like this. And if you click on this download button, then it will show you different download options to choose from. You can download it as an MP3, WAV, or FLAC file. You can even choose the quality of the audio that you want to download. Also, if you close this pop-up and click here on this option, you'll see different voices that you can choose for your project. Once you get monetized on YouTube and start making money, you can invest in this website and it will help you to boost your revenue even more. And now our fourth and last step is to find the movie clips. I will tell you 2 different ways that will help you find movie clips to download. The first and easiest way to find the movie clips is to get them from YouTube. You can go to YouTube, and for example, you can type Top Gun Maverick movie clips in the search bar. And you can see there are so many clips that have already been uploaded on YouTube. To download any of these clips, you can open the video, and below you will see a share option like this. You need to click there and it will give you a shareable link. Now just copy the link and go to this website. Paste the link here and it will automatically find the video and give you multiple video quality options to download. You can literally download these small clips and use them in your video, but make sure you remove the audio from the video file while editing. And the next way to find the clips for the video is to download the entire movie from any third-party website and then cut the parts that you need for the video. But keep in mind that you should not use clips longer than 5 seconds at a time while editing. This way, you will reduce your chances of getting copyrighted to almost 0. Now I will tell you what you should do to totally eliminate the chance of getting copyright claims on your videos. So this is the official page of YouTube Help, and here you can see there's a simple disclaimer. You just have to copy this whole section and then paste it in your YouTube video description every time you post a new movie explanation video. The reason why we need to put that is because a movie recap is a form of commentary, and if you go to YouTube Fair Use Guidelines, you'll see YouTube allows any kind of commentary on the videos. And by including this disclaimer, we can protect ourselves from any copyright claims. I hope after watching this video, you get the proper idea on how to upload movie clips on YouTube without copyright. If you have any questions related to this video, then please comment down below. And if you want to know how to make $1,400 each week using 3 secret websites, then you should also check out this video.